Dot, okay?
Dot has a hat.
Good girl.
Dot has a cat.
Very good.
The cat has a hat.
Good. Can you make sure you sound them all out?
Dot has a dog.
Good.
Dog has a hat.
Good.
Dog has a rag hat.
Dog has a, right? Good.
Sad dog. Sad dot sad cat.
Good girl.
Dog has on a
Good. A.
a rag hat. The end.
Oh, I'm proud of you.
Can I see it now?
Yes.